Welcome to the Silver Reports Weekly Wrap-Up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. On Monday, the Dow closed up 175 points. In news that moved the markets, Tesla acquired battery technology company Maxwell for $4.75 per share. Papa John's received the financial lifeline from Starboard Value LP, which will make a $200 million investment into the struggling pizza chain. In crypto news, the founder of a Canadian crypto exchange passed away in December and was the only person with the passcode to his encrypted laptop in cold storage facility. Accounts that were held at the cold storage facility offline are now locked. It's said that $190 million of cryptocurrencies are unable to be accessed since its passing. In earnings news, Alphabet, Google beat EPS estimates by $1.91 and revenue estimates by $380 million, yet the stock sold off in after hours. Gilead Sciences missed EPS estimates by 26 cents but beat revenue estimates by $280 million. On Tuesday, the bulls continued to keep control of the market, moving the Dow up 172 points. Tuesday brought earnings from Disney, the House of the Mouse, beat EPS estimates by 30 cents and revenue estimates by $250 million. Snap reported an EPS beat of 15 cents and a revenue beat of $12.8 million. Skywork Solutions EPS and revenue were in line with analyst estimates. EPS was $1.83 and revenue came in at $972 million for the quarter. And EA beat EPS estimates by 30 cents but missed on revenue by $140 million. On Wednesday, the Dow closed down 21 points. The markets were sluggish following the State of the Union address. In earnings news, General Motors beat EPS estimates by 19 cents and revenue estimates by $2.4 billion. GoPro beat EPS estimates by 4 cents and revenue estimates by $3 million. Chipotle beat EPS estimates by 32 cents and revenue estimates by $40 million. And Spotify reported earnings per share of 0.36 euro and revenue of 1.5 billion euro. On Thursday, the Dow closed down 220 points. Investors were spooked by Larry Kudlow stating that the US and China are still a long ways away from coming to a resolution on trade. In earnings news, Twitter beat EPS estimates by 6 cents and revenue estimates by $42.2 million, but the stock price dropped on the news that it will no longer report monthly active users. T-Mobile beat EPS estimates by 6 cents and revenue of $11.4 billion was in line with analyst estimates. Mattel beat EPS estimates by 20 cents and revenue by $80 million. On Friday, investors were still worried about a trade agreement between the US and China, and the Dow closed down 63 points, which isn't bad considering it was down almost 200 points at one point in the day. In other news, Postmates filed for an IPO. Add them to the already impressive list of companies that plan to go public in 2019. Amazon is said to be reconsidering its New York headquarters after local opposition. In earnings news, Phillips 66 reported an earnings beat, beating EPS estimates by 21 cents and revenue estimates by $960 million. And Hasbro missed earnings per share estimates by 34 cents and revenue by $130 million. Overall, the S&P 500, Dow, and Nasdaq were all able to close up for the week. In crypto news, prices have moved up slightly this week from last week. Bitcoin was trading at $3,600 at the time of this recording. Ethereum was trading at $117.37. Litecoin was trading at $41.59, and Ripple was trading at 30 cents. Crude oil was down for the week, closing at $52.70 per barrel. A big winner for the week, EGAN, EGAN, which increased by over 50% on the week. A big loser for the week, Vocera, VCRA, which dropped 21% on the week. Thanks again for checking out the Silver Reports Weekly Wrap-Up. This channel is dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but doesn't know how or where to start. If you have any questions, ask in the comments section, like and subscribe, and may your next investment be your best investment. See you next week.